create a new file. My file is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Select the horizontal type tool and type your text. Select the Move tool and press Ctrl+T. You can now resize and move the text. Click on the FX icon and select Drop Shadow. Pick a color. Opacity 100%. Angle 130 degrees. Distance 20 pixels. Spread 100%. Size 0 pixels. Contour linear. Click on the plus icon next to Drop Shadow. Select the bottom Drop Shadow option. Add 20 pixels to the distance, so 40 pixels now. Change the color. Repeat this to add more colors. You can change the text while keeping the drop shadows. And that's how you create a text with a multicolored drop shadow.